Now let's come to the kitchen. First we have to provide a platform. The general width of a platform is kept at 2 feet. Form the platform like this, activate line tool, L, enter. Come to this point, do not click, move the cursor a little bit, type 3 feet, enter. Now move the cursor up. As we said, the general width is 2 feet, so type 2 feet, enter. Now move the cursor like this and give a distance of 5 feet, enter. Move it up and give it a distance of 3 feet dash 2 inches 3 by 8 suit, enter. Again give it a distance of 2 feet. Press escape. Place the stove in front of the window so that it receives natural light the most part of the day. Place the sink here at the end part of the platform with some offset. Place the refrigerator here for easy access. We have practically and in its true proportion, we have placed the furniture items for this flat.